Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Bunty Vintage Arrive. This is the last videos of lesson 39 that we will talking about direction in the kitchen. So let's continue to finish it together. Today we have 6 words to learn together. The first word is wash. Wash is a verb that means to clean something using water or soap. Example, wash the dish after you finish eating. Wash the dish after you finish eating. Second word is cook. Cook is a verb meant to make food or dishes. Where did you learn to cook? Where did you learn to cook? The third word is steam. Steam is a noun meaning the mist that water produces when it is boiled. Example, steam the vegetable to make it soft. Steam the vegetable to make it soft. Next word is a cup or a half cup. A cup or half cup are the ways to measure the amount of an ingredient. Example, a cup of water or a cup of milk. Next word is teaspoon. Teaspoon is a noun. It is a small spoon used for stirring coffee or measuring ingredient. Example, add 1 teaspoon of salt to the soup. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the soup. Next word is tablespoon. Tablespoon is a noun. It means a bigger spoon. Example, we always use tablespoon to eat rice. We always use tablespoon to eat rice. So let's review from the beginning together. The first word is wash. Wash. Second word is cook. Cook. Next word is steam. Steam. Next word is a cup or a half cup. A cup or a half cup. Next word is teaspoon. Teaspoon. And the last word is tablespoon. Tablespoon. So we finished lesson 39. I hope you can learn some new words from this video. God bless you.